Hello students, welcome you all once again. In the previous classes, we have learned about the salient features of crystal field theory and also splitting of d orbitals in octahedral complexes. Have you learned those two topics, students? Hope you have learned all those points. Okay, now in this present class, we will be learning about how to calculate crystal field stabilization energy, which is shortly denoted as CFSE. What is CFSE? It is the net gain in energy. Okay, so I will show you a formula how to calculate this CFSE. Okay, so look here students, CFSE is equal to the number of electrons in T2G orbitals into minus 0.4 delta O units plus number of electrons in EG orbitals multiplied by 0.6 delta O units. What is this delta O, students? Do you remember? This is the energy difference between EG and T2G orbitals denoted as delta O, and O represents octahedral. Okay, so look at the formula once again. T2G electrons, that is number of electrons in T2G orbitals into minus 0.4 delta O plus number of electrons in EG orbitals into 0.6 delta O. Okay, so we used minus here positive because the energy of T2G electrons will be less than the energy of EG electrons. The reason for this also we have learned in the previous class. Please go through that video once again. Okay, so there is one more formula also that you can follow. That is CFSE is equal to T2G electrons into minus 4 dq. 1 delta O is equal to 10 dq units. You can find it in many of the textbooks. Okay, so 0.4 into 10 is 4. So minus 4 dq plus EG electrons into 6 dq. Okay, so but most frequently we use this formula. Okay, students. Now, let us learn the filling up of d orbitals in octahedral complexes in presence of strong ligands. Okay, put the side heading, filling up of d orbitals in octahedral complexes in the presence of strong ligands. Okay, I have made the columns like this: number of electrons in d orbital, distribution of electrons under which we have T2G orbitals and EG orbitals. Next column is CFSE. Next column is number of unpaired electrons. Okay, students. Now, when the electron, that is number of electrons in d orbital is 1. Okay, only one electron. Where does it go? It enters into the first T2G orbital. Okay, so when the electron is 1, how much will be the crystal field stabilization energy? Okay, so from the formula 1 into minus 0.4 is equal to minus 0.4. Okay, so this is what I have written here. Crystal field stabilization energy minus 0.4 delta O. And the next column, number of unpaired electrons. It is 1. Understood, students? Next, when the number of electrons in d orbital are 2, where does these 2 electrons go? First T2G orbital, second T2G orbital. Now how much is its CFSE? So here I am doing the calculation. 2 into minus 0.4 is equal to minus 0.8. Okay, so here the CFSE is minus 0.8 delta O units. Number of unpaired electrons is 2. Okay, students? Clear? Next number of electrons in d orbital 3. So where does these 3 electrons go? First orbital, second orbital and third orbital. So CFSE will be 3 into minus 0.4 is equal to 3 into 0.4. How much, students? 1.2. So minus 1.2. So that will be its CFSE minus 1.2 delta O units. Number of unpaired electrons 3. Okay, students. Next, coming to number of electrons in d orbitals 4. So first T2g orbital, second T2g orbital, third T2g orbital. Next it comes to the first T2g orbital. Why? What is the reason? Why is this electron not going into the Eg orbital? Because we are doing filling up of d orbitals in presence of strong ligands. Okay. So strong ligands, you all know that the electrons will be forced to pair up. Okay, students, understood? So now, how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into minus 0.4. It is equal to minus 1.6. So CFSE will be minus 1.6 delta O units. Number of unpaired electrons you can count. There are 2 unpaired electrons. Okay, students. Next. Number of electrons in d orbitals 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So now 5 into minus 0.4. How much? Minus 2.0. So crystal field stabilization energy will be minus 2.0 delta O units and number of unpaired electrons only 1. Okay, students, clear? So this is about the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So number of electrons equal to 1, number of electrons equal to 2, number of electrons equal to 3, number of electrons equal to 4, number of electrons equal to 5. Moving on to number of electrons equal to 6. Number of electrons equal to 6. Okay. So how do they enter into the T2g and Eg orbitals? First electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron and sixth electron. So what would be its CFSE? 6 into minus 0.4. It is equal to how much? 6 into 0.4 minus 2.4. Therefore, its CFSE minus 2.4 delta O units. Number of unpaired electrons is 0. Okay, students? Clear? Next, coming to number of electrons is equal to 7. So, how do they enter into the T2g and Eg orbitals? First electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron, sixth electron. Then comes here the seventh electron into Eg orbital. Why? Because all these 3 orbitals are now completely filled. Okay. So now here comes the calculation part. Look here. There are how many electrons in T2g orbitals? 6. So 6 into minus 0.4 plus number of electrons in Eg orbitals 1 into 0.6. So it is equal to 6 into minus 0.4. How much, students? Minus 2.4 plus 1 into 0.6. 0.6 is equal to how much? Minus 2.4 plus 0.6. It is equal to minus 1.8. Okay. So that is its CFSE minus 1.8 delta O units and number of unpaired electrons equals to 1. Okay, students, am I clear? Next, coming to number of electrons equal to 8. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. Coming to calculation of CFSE. 6 into minus 0.4 plus how many electrons in Eg orbital, students? 2. So 2 into 0.6. 6 into minus 0.4. How much? Minus 2.4 plus 2 into 0.6. 1.2. How much it is? 2.4 minus 1.2. You all know that it is 1.2. So minus 1.2. 2 is delta O is the CFSE. Number of unpaired electrons equals to 2. Okay, students, clear? Next, coming to number of electrons, 9. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Next, 7, 8. Then comes here the 9th electron. So, calculation of CFSE. 6 into minus 0.4 plus number of electrons in Eg orbitals 3 into how much? 0.6. It is equal to minus 2.4 plus 1.8. It is equal to minus 0.6. Okay, easy calculation, easy mathematics, students. Just try to remember the formula. So it's CFSE minus 0.6 delta O units. Number of unpaired electrons only 1. Okay, next. The last one coming to 10. Number of electrons is 10. So, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So, 6 into minus 0.4 plus 4 into 0.6. It is equal to minus 2.4 plus 2.4. It comes equal to 0.0. Okay, so its CFSE is 0.0 delta O units. Number of unpaired electrons is 0. Okay, students. So this is all about filling up of d orbitals in octahedral complexes in presence of strong ligands. Okay, so just try to learn this formula. So if you know this formula, whichever complex is given, it will be very easy for you to calculate. Okay. So learn carefully, students. Look at the table. So what all columns we have to write and practice it well. Thank you.